The best layouts usually guide your eyes so smoothly that you never notice the structure doing the work. Today, how to create directional storytelling systems. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert 3 frames arranged diagonally across the layout to establish directional movement. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for continuity and balance. Select the background and apply a gradient that follows the same visual flow through the design. Add thin arrows or connecting line accents with low opacity to subtly guide attention across the composition. Slightly rotate one frame to introduce motion while preserving structure.